All right, so what are some next steps here as we move out of this episode? So some additional assignments. You can look for SSRF through multiple vantage points within a code base. So as we saw, you can check out the webhook functionality. That is just the basically the epicenter, right, for SSRF risks. But also, there's some very unique SSRF risks within file upload functionality. And really, it comes down to the question, does the API accept a URL instead of a file? And that URL can point to an arbitrary place either within the local network or even without or somewhere else, right? So that is incredibly powerful because certain web frameworks, right, when they are given a URL instead of a file, will go ahead and fetch it, even though that wasn't the intended functionality of the developer, right? So we need to think about also how our web frameworks deal with unintended input, right? And so you can actually view the additional resources section for a HackerOne vulnerability. And I love when you see this because it really shows in specific to the HackerOne vulnerability here. Well, let me take a step back. I mean, HackerOne is basically basically a bug bounty platform, right? And so people will find bugs and risks, right, within HackerOne itself, right? And this is what is actually shown if you go into the additional resources and you click on the vulnerability report. You can check that out. And basically it is an example of an API basically fetching a URL instead of a file on during a file upload. So highly recommend to check it out. Also, just be sure to review the photo attachments just for additional context, and that definitely helps. So the HackerOne vulnerability, it shows that we all are human. Myself, HackerOne, everyone, even security experts. Yeah, it's we're all in this together. We're all learning how to make our code more secure. And also, review links below the video for additional resources like I just alluded to, and you can see in that section items that are specific to other languages. I have some pretty awesome SSRF basically talks in there, and you have the ability to explore more in depth. So thanks so much for joining me. I'm looking forward to seeing you or hopefully hearing from you in one way or another, and looking forward to providing the next episode for you. All right, take care. Bye bye.